Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see how to do unit testing in Jenkins. So here normally Jenkins is used to do continuous integration of a source code and used to build. Here the continuous integrated code, if you want to do a test publishing, how you can do that. So here it is like to make a testing simpler, we are using in Jenkins like JUnit test framework. So the requirement is XUnit plugin. You have to install XUnit plugin in your Jenkins. Next, you should have Apache, and only then you can able to do unit testing in Jenkins. So here the steps is create the project or select the existing project and export to and build, publish the test in Jenkins. So this is the way you have to do that. So let me show you how you have to do the unit testing in Jenkins. Here in Jenkins, just create a new item. The new item I am going to keep here demo and Jenkins. Just give freestyle project. Okay. So after giving this, you can see here, you can select any of the files which is having the already created build. So I will show you the already created file. For demo, I have just created this. You can give Jenkins test. This is the build.xml. So it is in this folder. Just give open with notepad. So you can see here, this is being developed in Eclipse. And next you can see the path Jenkins test.class path, and also I've included JUnit. This everything you have to do it in Eclipse. And next here for this project the build file has been created. So I will tell you how to create a build file in Eclipse. So here what you have to do, it's like you have to just scroll down and you have to find the path. After like compile project with Eclipse compiler, you have to give this particular code, only then it will execute. So you can see here you are having, this is the code for generating JUnit reports. So here what you have to give, it's like here in target you have to create a directory. You can see here make directory reports, raw, and next you have to make a directory in under reports HTML. So report is one main directory, inside that two subdirectories. Here you have to give JUnit for print summary yes, halt on fair failure yes, show output yes. In class path you have to give the class path like whatever. So it is automatically generated. You can just give it from here. You can see the class paths here. Just copy that class paths and just paste it to your folder. So you can see here the class paths, everything. Now come down. You have to give path location is build.dir, classes and base directory. Here it is library / jar. So it is going to include all the files that is in this library folder. For example, the source you having sample. Next you have to give test name sample.test demo. So here this sample, it is a package name, test demo, it is a class name. So you have to give the package name dot class name to the directory where it have to download that report. So reports like raw. Next you have to give the project name dot class path. Here the main thing is you have to give formatter type equal to XML. So this is how you need to write here. So just we can keep this build.xml. I'm going to show you, this is already created. I will just execute this. After executing, I will show you how to create this build in XML. Now you have to just select in advance, use custom space, and you have to give this directory. Just go to G drive Jenkins test. So this is your file path. Just copy this and give here. And next what you have to do, it's like you have to come down, you have to give build. In build you have to give invoke and. Just select Apache and in advanced just give, after giving the build.xml, just come down, you have to give here, like you have been given build.xml, so now just give it like apply save, you're going to build this, just give build now. Now you can see the build is success. Just click on here and do console output. You can see here it's G drive Jenkins test. Next it is like in the path where we have installed Apache, and next build.xml, it have executed this build.xml file, build success. So once after this we are going to just publish this as a JUnit test report.